everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to embed a video in Google Slides. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you can go ahead and start creating your first slide. So guys, you can see I'm currently making my presentation and I'm on the first slide. I have already entered a title that I'm going to use for the slide. So you can go ahead and put the title if you want anywhere on the page. Now let's say that now guys, I want to enter a video right here that's going to appear under the title. How do you do that guys? Well, it's very easy. The first thing you want to do guys is go right here into the upper left corner where you have this multiple options and you want to find this option right here called insert. So guys, go ahead and click on insert. And now guys, after clicking on insert, this will open up this new drop down menu where you have multiple options to use that you will be able to insert, such as image, text box, audio, and so on. What you want to do guys is go ahead and click this option right here called video. So guys, after clicking on video, you can now see that you have three options to enter a video. You can either search YouTube for the video, you can type in the exact URL if you have it, or you can upload the video from your Google Drive. I'm going to go ahead and search for YouTube. I'm going to just type in tutorial and see what comes up. So as you can see here guys, now as you can see here are some tutorials that are opening up. I'm going to go ahead and select any video that you want. Just select it here guys, and after selecting it, you can see that now we have successfully added the video. We can put it anywhere we want, we can resize it if we want, and so on. You can put it anywhere in the slides. It's very easy. So yeah guys, that's how you do it, that's how you embed a video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, take care and bye.